Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger messenger something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger something went wrong, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about messenger app and you will enter. Then this list of messenger of app for you click on for stop. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can know how to fix messenger something went wrong. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.